Most of us wouldn't drink water that looks like this, so why should your horse have to? Getting it clean doesn't have to be a big project. Today we use the HydroExVac to clean this horse trough. It hooks right up to any pressure washer and is ready in seconds. Once it's in vacuum mode, it pulls everything out: water, muck, slime, and all the stuff that settles at the bottom. No scooping, no buckets, no back pain. Horse care guidelines recommend cleaning your trough at least once a week to prevent algae and bacteria buildup. The HydroExVac is achieving over 60 gallons per minute of flow while paired with a 4,000 psi pressure washer. This entire 100-gallon horse trough was emptied in 1 minute and 25 seconds. Then a quick switch to jet mode to wash the walls. That slimy layer that sticks to everything comes right off. And after rinsing, switch back to vacuum mode to suck everything out so it's ready to refill. Fresh water goes back in, and right away the horses come over. They know when the water's clean. HydroExVac, keeping your horse's water as clean as your own.